Okay, so now let's say you have written your C code. Okay, now you want to run it. So how to install C compiler? So let's understand step by step. Okay, so the first thing that you have installed VS Code already. Okay, but installing VS Code is not enough. You have to install C compiler separately. Okay, so in browser just search C using VS Code. Okay, so here you will see the official documentation of VS Code, how to do that. So let's open and let's read it carefully and follow the steps. That's it. So first we have to install the extension. The first step is open VS Code. So this is our VS Code. Select extension view icon on the activity bar. So on activity bar, do you see this extension view icon? So here this is the extension view icon. Okay, so here you have to search C++ in search bar. Okay, so here we have to search C++. Okay, so here we have to install this extension, this highlighted extension. Okay, so you can install that, otherwise you can install the extension pack also, no problem. Okay, so extension is successfully installed. Now let's go to the next step. Okay, so what they are saying is what is C++, okay, compiler, and how to check if GCC compiler is already installed or not, but we know that it's not installed. Okay, so these are the steps we have to follow to install a compiler. Okay, so if you are using Windows, so we have to use this go to MinGW tutorial, the second one. Okay, so let's open that. So here prerequisite, we have to install VS Code, then install VS Code extension that we have just done. Okay, after that you will see, if you scroll down you will see this video. So below this video we can see the steps. The step 1 is download the latest installer. Okay, this is the link to download. Okay, so it's downloading the installer. Okay, okay, so I think it's downloaded successfully. Now I'm just running it. Okay, so you just have to click next once you download. Okay, that's it. So I hope you are getting and following the steps. So it has finished installation. So now it will run a like terminal. So in this terminal, if you check the steps, we have to paste this command. Okay, so copy it and right click and paste. Don't use control V. If you use control V, what is going to happen? It control C and V doesn't work in this terminal. Okay, so if you do control V, then it will not work. But what you have to do is right click and select paste. Okay, and after you do that, you might get some 200 something here. Okay, and it will not work. So if you use control V and then if you paste it, you will get something like this. Okay, so what you have to do, just copy it and right click and paste and just press enter. Okay, so after that it's asking you something, it's mentioned in the document also. You just have to press enter. So just press enter, and after that you have to enter Y. So it will start installing. Okay, so it has successfully installed. Now what we can do, we can close this terminal, and the next step is setting the path in environment variable. So here press Windows and search edit environment variable, and here you have to select user variables, and here inside path you can double click on the path, and in path you can add a new value. So just copy and add a new value, paste it. Okay, after that, how to check if the GCC or MinGW installed or not? What you can do, open your VS Code and open terminal, and in terminal type GCC version, so that you will see the version. So if it is not showing you the output, just restart your VS Code. Okay, thank you.